All right, this video is on converting a percentage to um, essentially, you're going to end up going all the way to a fraction. So we're going to add on to this up here and say we're taking a percentage, we want to turn it into a decimal, but then we want to actually turn it into a fraction from there. And it's a little bit different than some of the other conversions we've done because in this case it's really helpful to have the decimal conversion done. So you're going to essentially kind of be combining two conversions you know how to do or will learn how to do in order to convert a percentage into a fraction. This middle step here is just really helpful in order to help get you there. So what we see here is if we start with 42%, we know that that's 42 out of 100 or for every 100. So we can convert that into a decimal, right, by whooping it back or dividing it by 100, doing two whoops back. So we ended up with 42 hundredths. Now, this is where that fancy talk comes into play because here you're going to, as you say that out loud, 42 hundredths, magically you have a fraction. So then you're going to take that fraction and you want to be sure to simplify it if you can. So here we have 42 hundredths. Well, they're both even. So if I slice 42 in half or divide it by 2, I get 21. And if I do that same thing with 100 divided by 2, I get 50. So from there, I can say that this turned into 42 hundredths, remembering to use that slash on your keyboard as your fraction symbol, and it reduced down into 21 fiftieths, which I'll write in here.